This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Lisa Page. Waterfront. This home has a huge addition, increasing the square footage to 1,705 square feet. And is much larger than the typical home in this neighborhood. Loads of light pouring in, with great view of the pond. Room also boasts tray ceilings with decorative strip lighting. 2-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,705 square feet. Living space, new roof, hurricane impact windows and skylights installed approximately 4.5 years ago, concrete block construction, 2-car garage home located in Coventry of Cocoa. Additional features include open concept, dining room, huge living area. Brand new washer and dryer. Tile flooring throughout home. Well-established neighborhood with community pool and tennis courts. Conveniently located to grocery stores, a pharmacy, a short drive to Coste and much more. Orlando Airport 25 minutes drive, beaches 15 to 20 minutes drive, Merritt Island 10 minutes drive. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Page at 321-501-3433.